Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a booklet in Canva. First, use the search bar at the top and type in booklet. This will bring up a variety of ready-made templates that you can use. You can choose any design you like. I'll select the first one as an example, and then click Customize this template. Once the template opens, you can start editing it to fit your needs. The title on the cover can be changed by simply double-clicking on it and typing in your own text, like example booklet. You can also replace or remove images by clicking on them and pressing the delete key. On the left-hand side, you'll find options to change the overall design, switch fonts, and adjust colors. You can also go to Uploads to add your own images, videos, or even audio by clicking Upload Files. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see all the pages in your booklet. You can scroll through them or type a page number to jump directly to a specific page. From there, just keep editing each page based on what your booklet is about. And that's how you create a booklet in Canva. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.